Today we're going to talk about to-do lists. Why to-do lists? It's a super simple system anyone can try. You can write your list by hand. There are tons of apps, both free and paid. It's great for tracking your progress, and you even get a small dopamine boost every time you tick a checkbox. How does the system actually work? You just list your tasks, add any details you need, and check them off as you complete them. You can clearly see your progress, what's done and what's still waiting. What apps can you use? Notes, Notion, Trello, TickTick, Todoist, Obsidian, or just pen and paper. There are plenty of options. Personally, I mostly use TickTick because it lets you add subtasks and it also has a Pomodoro timer. I'll talk more about that in one of the next videos. Sometimes all you need is a simple sheet of paper and a pencil. But nowadays there are so many apps that it's easy to find one that works for you. Just try it out.